CEO News.
NDB Bank empowers women with free healthcare on International Women's Day. NDB Bank celebrated International Women's Day by hosting the Araliya Medical Camp, offering free healthcare services to 200 Araliya women's account holders. Held on March 8, the event featured medical screenings, eye exams, and wellness guidance in partnership with leading healthcare providers. Nine Wells Hospital, Vision Care, Fonterra, Link Natural, and Hemas joined the initiative, reinforcing the bank's commitment to women's well-being. Vice President Isani Palayaguru highlighted NDB's dedication to empowering women beyond banking. Long-standing Araliya account holders also received subsidized medical tests, demonstrating NDB's mission to support financial and personal wellness.
I'm Tanya Ekanayaka, Product Manager, Banking on Women. At NDB Bank, we believe in empowering women beyond just financial support. Our goal is to enrich their lives in every way possible. So our Araliya product promises on giving you more than what you want for yourself. This is not just a tagline, it's a commitment and understanding and addressing the deeper need of women. As a part of this commitment, we have organized a special initiative on this International Women's Day, a free medical screening for women. This is our way of going beyond expectations and offering them something truly valuable for their well-being. Women often prioritize their families and careers over their well-being. Through this initiative, we want to remind them that their well-being is valuable. This is our way of giving back and ensuring they receive more than the care and attention that they ask for themselves. We are honored to be a part of this initiative on this special day in a meaningful manner. Hope to continue this supporting and uplifting women in every way we can.
Global CEO News.